Hello and welcome to this SolidWorks course. So in this lecture we are going to see what are the features that is related to the mouse and what are some workspace accessories that you should know before creating the sketches. So let's just start our SolidWorks and let's just find out these things in detail. So over here you can see that we are inside the sketch workbench, and now let's say that we have created one circle like this. And there are some more shapes that we have created accordingly like this. Now let's say the first thing that is associated with the mouse is zooming in and zooming out. So how we can just do that? We can just do that using the scroll button. If you are going to scroll this scroll button over here, you can see that it will going to just create the zoom in and zoom out. And you can see that with the scroll, the thing that is associated is with it is known as pan. You can see that if I'm going to scroll my mouse like this, the object is getting away from the mouse, and if I'm going to scroll down, it will going to just get the object in more closer to the mouse. So with the scroll you can see that a pan is associated. This is known as pan, and you it should be adjusted accordingly like this. So if you want to just adjust the object, you can just adjust it. Now, if you are going to hold the scroll button and if I'm going to move my mouse, you can see that a rotate is going to be associated with that. And this rotate is not so much useful in the 2D sketches. We are going to see the use of this in the 3D modeling. But let's say by mistake that what you have done, you have just rotated the object like this. And now it is very difficult to just make it align to your screen. To do so, there is a tool that is available over here, and that is known as the view orientation. This is a view toolbar, and in that just click on this arrow and you can see that there is a normal to view that is available. You can see that there is a combination that also you can use, which is known as the control plus 8. So you can either press the control plus 8 or you just click on this option and the screen will going to be normal to the sketch, or the sketch view will going to be back again. So by mistake, if you have just click on the mouse and if you have done the scroll, you can just use this option and you can just make your mouse in the sketch mode. These are the options over here that is much more important when we are going to see the 3D modeling. But here also we can see some more accessories over here. The first accessory is the zoom to fit, which is if I have just zoomed out my mouse to such an extent that it is not visible, or if we want to basically fit the screen, then we can just click on this option over here and it will going to fit the screen at instantly over here. And let's say that you want to zoom a specific area. Let's say that you want to zoom a particular area over here. Then you can use it to zoom to area option. Just click on that and just select the area. Just a box type selection will going to open. And accordingly, you can see that it will going to zoom that area. So if you want to zoom an object to a particular area, you can just use it to zoom it. And it will going to be zoomed to whatever extent that you want. Click on this fit to screen and it will automatically regain its fit over here. The next workspace accessories that I'm talking is how to delete an object. So if I'm going to click on any object over here, it will going to be selected. This is one of the way to select the object. And if I'm going to press the delete button, that will going to be deleted. So this is how you can just delete an object. And if you want it to be back, you can just press the Control plus Z. That is for the undo. You can find the tool over here as well in this toolbar. You can see that there's a undo option. Just press the Control plus Z and you can see that it will going to be back again. If you want to delete multiple objects, press and hold the Control button and select the objects that you want to delete. You can see that multiple objects will going to be selected, and you can see that the selected entities will going to be shown up over here. Just press the delete button and it will going to be deleted. Now, if you want to select the object with the box type selection, you can just click on anywhere on the screen and just box type selection that you use usually in the computer. Just click and hold the mouse button and drag it, and whatever that will going to be enclosed in this area will going to be selected. You can see that. You can just delete it if you want, and if you want some other operations, you can perform that operations too. Select a particular area as well with the help of this box type selection. Create a box and you can see that particular area, the object inside that particular area will going to be selected. If you want to select the whole object that is present on the screen, just press the Control plus A button and whatever object, even a minor object will going to be selected over here. Just delete it and you can see that it will going to be deleted. And if there's one more options that is if it is associated with the mouse, that is known as a toggle. You can see that if I'm going to hold the right click of my mouse, and you can see that some of the options that is available over here as well, like this rectangle, these are the last tools that you can use. If I'm going to right click my mouse, a dialog box will going to open, and you can see that over here also. From here you can select, basically quickly select the tools, like how to just use the circles and all. So these are the recent shapes that you are going to use, so you can use it from here as well. So this is all about what is the workspace accessories that you need to know before starting the sketches, as well as the different mouse combination that you should know use basically. So that's all for this lecture, and I'm going to catch up you in the next one.